Little Miss Giggles, Roger Hargreaves. Little Miss Giggles is the giggliest girl in the world. Do you wake up giggling? Little Miss Giggles does. She giggles all through the day, and her giggles are catching. She even makes the flowers giggle. Are you giggling yet? Little Miss Giggles has a joke book, but she can never get to the end of the jokes because she is always giggling so much. Little Miss Giggles even giggles when she's in the bath. She calls it her giggle bath. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like. Do share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.